Well, hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, it's me, Squally Wally, and that's my real name, yeah. So, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to meditate, at least how I meditate. There are a couple different ways you can do it, but I'm going to show you the things that work the best for me. A couple of tips and tricks to get you in that meditative mood. And yeah, I'm going to show you how it works for me. So, if that's something you're interested in, learning how to meditate and all that cool stuff, go ahead and keep on watching. So here we have a nice incense burner. I'm gonna go ahead and get some incense. This one is a rose scented incense. I really like incense to help get me in a nice meditative mood. They heighten your awareness and consciousness kind of. They're just really good. I really enjoy them for when I'm doing meditation and stuff. So go ahead and get this one lit up. And this is one way you can do it, but I also like making resin incense. This one is a traditional incense. Look at that cute little shoe. But I also like this one. Here is my candle I made. This one's a calm and cleansing one. It's really good. You can also light a candle to help you get in the meditating mood. It's really good for aromatherapy. It'll help chill you out. But back to the incense. So I'm gonna get out my mortar and pestle. If you've ever used one of these before, they're very heavy. So there's mine. It's a pretty big one. You can get these from anywhere, from some smoke shops, from Walmart or anything. You just kind of crush up the resins. So that's what I do. Here's one of my favorite Opofono resin, plant resin. Opofono. It's hard to say. It's organic. This one's a really nice sweet flavor, scent. And then this one is that clear one is copal. Yeah, copal. So yes, you just toss them in there, and there's a copal, and they're gonna be grinded up and turned into a powder that you can use. And I think that's actually how they make incense. I'm pretty sure that's part of it. And they just roll it on the stick. I don't know. I'm not an expert, but this is definitely what I appreciate, my favorite kind of incense. So got my little incense burner right there, and it's really cool, huh? Looks so classy. You can get one from different places. I got mine from Amazon. But yeah, so I got my little charcoal. Gonna go get it lit. Get this ready for my incense. So this one is kind of like a regular charcoal tab, one from a barbecue pit. Gotta run and get it over there because that stuff will light on your freaking hands up. Literally, I've got burnt by those before, so make it there quickly. But then you go ahead and get some of your incense. You see little dusty bits, and just toss it up on there, and it'll start burning like an incense. It smells so sweet and relaxing, and it's just so nice. I really appreciate incense. They really make me feel zen. So this is one of my favorite tools to help me get in the meditative mood. And then if you have one, you're gonna go ahead and get on a pad. A mat would be optimal, but I don't have one right now, so you would just go ahead and get on. I put down a blanket because it works just the same. So there's that option. You have all these different ways you could lay down, you could sit up, you could cross your legs, you could sit like this where your feet are touching. That's a pretty good position, but I just wasn't feeling it this time. I wanted more a traditional seated way, so as long as you make sure you're sitting up straight, this is really like helpful when you're meditating. And then I go ahead and just take 4 breaths in slowly, and then 4-second breaths out. So 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out, and you just go ahead and do this throughout the whole meditation, and it really helps ease your mind. Some people use meditation to clear their head. Some people use meditation to focus on their goal or manifest, or just do different things. But I usually like it to clear my head or to plan it, like to focus on manifesting some kind of goal. So you're going to want to start with this, doing it for at least about 5 minutes the first time. If you keep getting like random thoughts you don't want, just try to like clear them out and just try to focus on your breath. That will help you kind of like not like have your mind travel off and like start worrying about things that you shouldn't be worrying about right now. I'm just doing some neck stretches, getting all comfy. It's really one of the best tools that I really appreciate about, like, one of the best things I really appreciate about meditating is, like, it really helps me, like, when I'm done, I feel so, like, relaxed, and I just feel so nice. So at first, when I first started, it wasn't that easy, but you get used to it. And then after you do like 5 minutes or so, you could do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but after, I always like to do a nice stretch. So this is me still trying to make sure my back is straight and reaching down to my toes. Still trying to keep with at least 2 breaths in, 2 breaths out, 2-second breaths or in and out. And then, just do a couple different stretches. Make sure my body's nice and like relaxed and calm. And this really helps your state of mind as well with the meditating when you do stretches after. So definitely try that if you're going to be doing meditating soon. So I did it for like 3 full 4 seconds in and out on both sides. So it's getting a nice stretch through the back and all this good stuff. So this is how I like to like cool down after a nice like meditation session, and then have a nice breath, comfy. So there you go. So yeah, those are some of my recommendations on how to get started meditating. You can start at your house, or you can go to the park, wherever you fancy. But you can even just get started like here, like where I'm saying at your house. So there's really no like excuse not to get started. So what are you waiting for? You can go meditate. And let me know how it goes for you in the comments down below and stuff. So it's been nice showing you a couple things. Let me know what you think and stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to you later. See you on the next one. This is Wally Wally signing out. Don't forget to like this video, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. I know we're growing like wildfire. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go do it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.